How to get boarding pass online Air Canada. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can get your boarding pass in Air Canada through your app or through your web browser. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, you must download your app Air Canada. You just have to go into your Google Play Store and type Air Canada, and there you're gonna find it. Once you have it into your mobile, you must open it, and in the top left corner you're gonna find three horizontal lines to expand a new menu, and the first option is check-in. If I tap there, this is gonna redirect me into my web browser to continue with the process. Let me show you. So this is why I told you you're gonna do it through your app or your web browser. So the check-in opens 24 hours before departure. You don't have to try it before that because you are not going to be able to do it. And now here you must type your identification. It could be the booking reference, the airplane ID, the Air Canada employee number, or your ticket number. The common identification here, the most common identification, is the booking reference or the ticket number. The booking reference are 6 alphanumeric characters and the ticket number are around 13 numbers. That's the usual length. And also you must type your last name and then tap in the continue button. Okay. Once you have done that, you must continue with the check-in process, follow the steps in order to get your boarding pass. Now, if you want to do it through your app, at the bottom of your screen, you're going to find 5 different options. The fourth one, whose name is Trips, with the logo of a handbag, I'm going to click on it. And here you must add an existing reservation click on the check-in. Okay. If you want to add an existing reservations, the data is going to be the same: booking reference number and last name. And obviously there is the button to check in order to go into the same page. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can get your boarding pass in Air Canada application. Thanks for watching.